Hello friends, welcome again. In this lecture, we will learn about the text function. So what we will learn about how to do the text formatting and some of the text functions like extracting data, formatting data, removing any unwanted space, and joining the two text strings. And we will be also be learning about the transposing data, how to convert a text into column and count function, all these things. So let's do an exercise which will cover everything. Let's suppose the company has given the information to you in this format in the notepad. So how you are going to use the information in the proper way? Let's copy and paste it on the Excel sheet. Okay. See, all the information is in only cell A1, not on B1, B2. So we need to convert this task into column. So I want ABC dash in one column cell, BCD in one column cell. How we can do it? For that we have one function, you can say a wizard, which can do it for us. For go to the data. In data you will see the test column. Click it. A wizard will open up. Okay. So here the two options will be given. One with delimited and second with fixed width. In fixed width, I will show you what we can do in fixed width. I will just click it. In fixed width, you need to put this arrow in between where you want to create the column. Like this will create one column, this will create another column, this will create third column, this will create fourth column. Okay, in this way. So this is very useful whenever there is no very standardized differentiation between the two words is not given to us. So in that case we have to use the fixed width. But here we have been given a semicolon. In between any two words there is a semicolon is given to us. So we will use this one semicolon to extract this information or put each text in one column. So let's go back. I will use the delimited here. Next, okay, in delimited the various option is there. If the between two words or two text space is given, we can use this one. If between two words a comma is given, we can use this one. A semicolon is given, you can use this one. Okay, so right now semicolon is given, we will use the semicolon. Okay, now click next. Now in what format you want this data? So already data is only a text format, so let it remain the text. Okay, and click function. And where do you want this information? I want this information in A3 cell. It is the starting point, A3. Okay, let's finish it. Okay, see how beautifully the text to column feature help us to extract the information. Now I want to do the text function operation on this information, but it is very difficult to do it in this format. I need to transpose the data, that is to make this formation from column into the row. How I can do it? Just select the data, right click it, copy it, and here just right click again once more. You see the several information is given here. Paste spatial and paste spatial of several information is given. So I will paste all and operation multiple and don't want to do anything. I want to do the transpose. I will click OK. Okay. You can also do in another way as well, much easier way. I will just delete it. I will just go there, right click, copy, click it here. You see here this information transpose there, just click it. Okay, now I want to remove this last dash from each of the cell. Okay, before that I want to remove any unwanted spaces from this cell, like ABC is good, and if you see the BCD, this space is there. Okay, this space I don't want it, I need to remove it. How can you do it? Just use the trim function here. Trim function. Put the task here, close it. It will remove all the unwanted spaces here and autofill it. Now what you can do it, copy the information and select the data, copy it, go here, paste it here for the other operations which we need to do it. Now I want to select the first three letter of this text. Simply I want to remove this dash from each cell, so I can use the left function here. Left, go there, select how many characters we want to select, but 3 only. Okay, autofill it. Okay, now I have got the information in desired format, and I will do another operation as here as well. I will just copy and paste the value here. Now suppose only I want the first letter here, so we can use the left task. Only one task I want, on left one. Okay, A. Okay, autofill it. Now suppose I want only the 2 tasks from the left. I will just click modify the formula 2, enter, and click it. Okay, right now I want only one only. Just I will take one, change it, and autofill it. Now from this task test ABC, I want only the middle one. I will use the middle function, and it is starting from 2, and how many characters are there? Only 1. Enter. Okay, P is coming, autofill it. Similarly, I want only the last letter of the task, so I will use the right, and how many characters? 1. Okay, autofill it. So let's select all this one. Now I come here, let's do another exercise, and I will place the value here. So we have segregated or separated each test, each letter from the text. Now I want to combine all these 3 one. How I can do it? I will use the concatenate function. Wrong way. Concatenate. Enter. Okay, and autofill it. So in this way you can combine that text as well. Now let's copy it, paste it here. Okay, so I didn't like this capital letters, so I want the smaller case. So how I can do it? Use the lower case and select the task and okay. So it will convert all the tasks in the lower case. Okay, now I don't like all the tasks to be in lowercase. I want the first letter of each task to be capitalized. It has to be capital, so we can use here the proper function. Okay, click it here and autofill it. Similarly, if I have gotten the first of all, just copy the function, right click, only value. Okay, now you have, suppose you have got the information only in smaller case. I want information uppercase, so how can you do it? Use the uppercase formula, uppercase, and enter. Okay, easy. One more thing you can also learn. If I want to know how many characters are there in any text, so you can use the length function here. 3. Suppose if it is Robert, if I want to know how many characters are there, so you can use the length function as well. How many characters are there in the name? Suppose now you want to count how many cells are there, so I will use the count A. What is count is there? It counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty, so it will count it there, not empty. So I will select this cell and close. So 25 cells are there. Okay, this finishes our lecture.